Okay, as you can see, I have the one eye done with the wing, and I put lashes on as well. So you can use either a gel liner or a liquid liner, liquid pen. I like felt tip, like that are the brush tip, not the like a hard felt tip. So this one's just by the drugstore. It's by Jessie Girl, but you can see it looks like a paintbrush. I feel like these applicators are the best to apply with. Now, what I like to do for how I create a wing liner is I start from the outer and I create the first line to give so it extends out. So yeah. So I like just creating the line extended out, and then what you're going to do is take from towards the top of that line that we just did and then drag it inwards. And now you see there's kind of like a triangle shape, and what you'll do is just like fill that in. And then create this straight line all the way down. So fill that in. It still looks a little messy. So you're just gonna flick it up and create that nice wing effect. Okay, so now that I have my wing on, I'm gonna add my lash, and I'll be right back. And this is the finished look. So, wing liner is definitely not easy to do. It takes a lot of practice. There are days that I'm there with a wipe, constantly fixing and fixing because I can't always get it right. And I've been doing it for years. It is extremely difficult on clients because for me, I haven't had too much experience that clients want a wing and for like bridal makeup, things like that. I'll normally either do like a thin line for the lash band to really blend it together, or do some type of like smoky wing. That's a little easier. But yeah, here is a wing liner look, and if you guys liked it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.